Skeletal system is important because it's the main system in our body that keeps us going and walking and active. And that's why it's so important.
What is the longest bone in the skeletal system?
The longest bone is your femur bone, which means your thigh bone. That's the longest bone in your body.
They often say that it is one of the hardest bones to break. It is strong bone.
It's true. It's one of the strongest bone in our bodies, and it takes a lot of force to break that type of bone. That's why you only see it when people actually go through accidents. They might break that bone, or people who have some tumors, and that makes the bone weaker.
So how does the skeletal system produce blood cells?
So the skeletal system has inside it what we call bone marrow. That bone marrow actually produces bone cells, or what is called the red cells. And these type of cells would keep your bone alive. Without those cells, your bone basically is going to be dead.
So how do the bones get connected with the muscle exactly?
So each bone in your body get connected through ligaments and muscles, and those attach from one end of your bone to another end of your bone. So for example, if you look at your biceps, which is the muscles over here, so there's attachment from the top all the way attached to a certain point here, and attached all the way down to the point over here in your bone itself. So there must be some sort of a connection for the muscle to be connected, and that's very important for your muscles and ligaments.
Okay, so how many bones are roughly in an adult skeletal system?
Roughly around 206 bones.
Okay, so how does the spine protect the skeletal system?
So basically the spine has a canal inside it. It's formed in a way, it's like, we call it a canal, which it has like a hole. And through that hole, your spinal cord goes through that hole. And the bone surrounds that canal, so it's actually protected from being injured. And that's very important for us, and that's what people have when they do some sort of an accident or go through some sort of a trauma. Sometimes that canal gets disrupted and that they go into paralyzed.
Okay, so how do you exactly make your bone stronger?
You make your bone stronger by eating healthy and by exercise. That's the main thing that you have to do.
So how many bones are you first born with?
How many? Oh, I can't remember actually. I took so many bones through my old career. I'm an old man, to be honest with you, so I can't tell you.
Oh, you don't think that?
A lot, I can tell you. Especially in Kuwait, because you have a lot of trauma, a lot of accidents as well. Even in Canada, when I was doing my residency and fellowship, also had a lot of trauma there. So it's busy. I can tell you it's busy.
Okay, so what exactly can weaken your bone? Is it true that soda can weaken your bone?
What I think is weaken the bone is lack of exercise. That's number one. Number two, as you get older, your bone gets weaker because you don't actually do any sort of activity. Number three, what weakens the bone? Patients who have blood diseases. Some of the blood diseases weaken your bones. Also, if some people, God forbid, have some sort of tumors in their bone, and that weakens their bone as well. So these are the causes that weakens your bone, to be honest with
you. What happens if one part of your bone gets cut off? For example, like if you cut off your arm, and there is one part that does give out, does the bone give out, or is it dead?
Oh, so when you have a fracture, we try to connect the bone together and try to fix them as much as possible, so they go out in the same direction and they will grow back again. But if you miss like a big piece of bone and that's gone, there's nothing to replace it, to be honest with you.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Anwar. It's been a pleasure.
Same here. All the best. You take care.
Okay.